So I've been walking around with a squishy boot all day. I dumped it out and wringed it out and wringed out my pants and wringed out my sock. But yeah, it's very likely my left foot's gonna fall off. This will be a good job for the steel, but she's down. Bought this new bar and chain. This thing don't even deserve a new bar and chain. I'll tell you what, all you do is end up doing is priming this thing. It loves to be primed. Alright, we'll try it. If I ever get my skid steer and grapple and get all this cleared up, then we'll have something. Bestest chainsaws ever run. Ain't gotta be perfect, you just gotta get a good line of sight. We'll make it. Teaching point. Always evaluate the gravity of the situation. See, I started my cut there on the top half. The idea is to give it a relief cut and then come back under and saw the bottom half because it wants to fall. The gravity is pulling it down. The forces, that is the net forces. And now we're bound. I saw too long on the top. At least we're at the end, somewhat. Damn! Usually that's why I usually keep two saws because the other saw can cut that one out. Because we'll do a cut down there, and when that falls, it'll give my saw back. So my other saw's down. Well, we got enough where we can get some foot traffic through there. Now we just got to go selectively thin out some of those trees so that we can get a good line of sight. Damn, Alex. You ain't got no wedges on you, do you? Bending my new bar. Son of a biscuit. I swear, it's always something. We about got it. Whew. You didn't bring the socket with you, did you? That'll be alright, won't it? Back to the truck. See, everybody talks about the western cowboy and, you know, living out in the wilds of Montana and all that cool stuff. They don't have the same struggles as us low country cowboys. We have to fence in swamp and heavily wooded areas. It's a whole nother can of worms. See, pulling messed up. It's probably about time they could get the patent from steel. It still has a nut there that goes inside and runs a little threaded mechanism that pushes the bar out. This thing don't. There's probably a better way to do it, so if somebody has any suggestions, please let me know, but you just kind of got to pull it out as you tighten up the nut. It's kind of a very bad mechanism. Probably painful to watch. We need to put it on a t-shirt. This is painful to watch. Because all the stuff I do is painful to watch, ain't it? The hell with this thing. I ain't doing something right. This thing is a joke, man. Damn head's getting cold. I'm gonna turn that symbol around. They ain't paying me yet, so. And then look, it looks tight on it. Miraculously, when I stand up, watch it be loose. That'll do, donkey. Whenever you're back in the truck, I always top off the fluids. Don't even get me started on these gas cans and their overflow mechanisms. I ended up just taking the spring and all that bull hockey out of there. I just use it like that. You know what happened to that? The government got involved. I can't believe how good this saw ran. It's not like her. Cut. Oh, we did it again. This is what was supposed to happen. Now we have some decisions to make. Like how involved do we want to get up there in there? Or do we want to go back to setting posts? We could avoid setting posts and use trees, which as a general rule is a bad idea. Then you have to ask yourself, is it even worth it? I can't do nothing with that. What I look like. But effective. That's starting to look better. Found something to cut. Yep, that one was inconsequential. Tune in for the next series. We'll have the track hoe. With all these vines and all these rotten top trees, these tupelo trees, I guess that's what a lot of them are. Kind of scares. I know a helmet don't do much, but it does more than nothing. Because you start dropping them, you're gonna start pulling vines on the other trees and pulling the top side of them. And that's where it gets very, very sketchy. You have to do a lot of thinking. Because all those vines are scaring me. Because when stuff starts falling, it's gonna start pulling on other stuff. That's about 6 feet off the line. So anything inside of that, we can clear off and just keep clearing. So that next one would have to go. So everything, and then leave all the ones with the flags. That way we can do a line of sight down them flags, so that we're on our line. We can see if that pooling's up for it. Don't move. Well, I can see the road. That's pretty. That's why you don't stand on that side. Sorry. Sun's getting below the trees. We'll send in the sweep crew. The hope is once the cows get in here and eat some of this vegetation and help dry this place out. But it grows a lot of vegetation here in the summer. It'd be nice to add that to the belly. You know, I was gonna leave this chainsaw out here in the cold, but she did so good today. I let her come inside for the night. She's definitely the MVP of the day. 5 minutes I was out there today. I thought it was gonna be cool and just keep my boots down here at my knee, or below my knee. First 5 minutes, walked out there and sunk up down up to my daggone mid thigh here. So yeah, I could probably wring out a little bit more out there. Let's see how bad it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah, grandpa foot. No, I'm just kidding y'all. That's pure sweat. Nah, that's swamp water. Just imagine walking in that all day. You know it's worse than that. I'm about to put it back on. Like I did earlier today. Gotta hurry before your foot gets cold. It feels so bad. I ain't living right. I gotta go change socks. That's all there is to it. I don't even know why I pulled them off. Alright.